What is up, guys? Jason with Awesome RT here, and today we are going to do an unboxing video, which I haven't done in a while because I've been broke. Well, not broke, but haven't been able to buy anything for Lulu lately. So this unboxing is actually not a new unboxing. It is a old unboxing, but new. That makes sense. So today we're going to take a look at the Pedal Commander for the charger. I've had mine for a while, but I figured I had to get a replacement. And their customer service, shout out to them, they were excellent to work with. My problem was it was kind of separating, so I took pictures of it, sent it to them. They were like, yeah, we'll swap it out for you. So I shipped it out, and they shipped me a new one. So I figured while I've got it here, might as well go ahead and do an unboxing just so you kind of see what it comes in, what comes in the package and how it's packaged. Which this package is actually really cool. So this is how it comes. They just stuck this in a USPS little bag. But you got your Pedal Commander URL on the side, kind of etched in. You got your Pedal Commander 31, which is what we need for the Chargers, Challengers probably. I think same thing for the Dodge Ram. I'd say most Dodge models probably uses PC31. This is the Bluetooth version. I didn't use Bluetooth very often. I used it like 2 or 3 times. To me, it's more of a hassle to have to pull out my phone, go to the app, and then pick my setting. And I did that one time while I was driving, and that was a big mistake. Threw codes all over the dash. It was lighting up like Christmas. So I had to turn around, go home, and then reset all the codes and stuff, and then drove it a little while later, and it was fine. But ever since then, I really was like, I'd rather just push the button. So after this video, I'm gonna go put this in tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, because I gotta work. I gotta go to work tomorrow, and I work from here. So probably Wednesday morning before I start working, I'll do an install video to kind of show how it gets installed, and then just show how I have mine set up, where I've got it, positioned. But let's get to the box. Unboxing. So overall, pretty solid box. The top, I thought the top would just pop off, but it doesn't. It's on there pretty solid. You actually kind of got to push up on this little tab right here just to even get it to come off. So it's packaged very well. So when you pop it off, you got just the Pedal Commander itself still in this little orange piece. This does come off from the clear plastic, so you can take the clear plastic off. Then you got your your quick start guide, your user manual. It's not that hard to figure out, guys, but if you want to read it, by all means, just read your instruction manual. I always suggest reading instruction manuals. I've already read it, so I'm not going to read it again. Pedal Commander slips right out of there. Just twist it and pull it out. Of course, undo your twist tie, get that off there. And that's it. And that's what you're buying right there. It's this beautiful thing. It's so lovely. I love it. But, so you got 2 cables. One goes to your pedal, one goes to your existing plug that was plugged into your pedal. 4 different settings. You got Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus, and each one of those has a range of -4 all the way to +4. So very adjustable. When I had, before I sent mine in, I always left mine usually on Sport and then +2, and then that's where I thought it should be stock. Like that's what it should have felt like when it came out of the factory, in my opinion. City, I would use that when it's raining or something. I would knock it down to City. That way it'd kind of not be as touchy. And then, of course, when I want to have fun, I'd always bump it up to like Sport Plus, +2. And then if I want to have super fun, all the way up to +4. That's just me. Let's see. So also in the package, you're going to get this little guy, which is just a Velcro sticky strip. I attempted this the first time when I installed it, my other one. Basically, this got a little clip right here that can pop off, a little kind of holster. And you just sticky that to that side, and then you stick it to your dash. Well, I cleaned my dash with alcohol and everything, and wiped it down, make sure it was not, there was no, what's the word I'm looking for? Dash shine stuff, you know what I'm talking about. So there was nothing on there that was going to make it not stick, but it was in the middle of the summer, so that could have been why it was just hot in the car, but it didn't stick very well. So I found another option that I do like better, and I'll show you guys in the next video how I mounted mine. You get this little Pedal Commander wipe, which is going to, it's your alcohol wipe. I used that plus my own alcohol and dug down in the dash, and like I said, it still didn't stick for me, but it's fine because I like the way I have it mounted now. So you also get 2 little zip ties, which I didn't need really. The way I have mine routed up, it's right through the dash, so or on the console, which I'll show you guys, like I said. But so I didn't need these either, but they give them to you, which is convenient. I know because a lot of people say that when they take it to the dealer, they don't want it visible and stuff, so they just mount it up under the dash somewhere and use zip ties to do that. And that way it's not, you just turn it off and then no one can see it. Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. Overall, I've not tried to update this, and I don't know, maybe if you guys have or know anyone that has. I haven't seen a software update on the site anywhere, but I think that's got a little micro USB port. I think it's for updating, but like I said, I haven't seen an update come through, but then again, I could have missed it. But overall, packaging and the product for that matter, excellent. And customer service, their customer service, like I said, was exceptional. I was sad a little bit when I had to package mine up first and send it. I didn't get like one sent to me and then I have to replace it, which I understand. They want to see that it's left my possession before they ship me out another one, and I understand that, but it was a little heartbreaking for me not having it for a few days, but I got it back, so we're good. Like I said, I will get the install video probably up, I'd say Wednesday. I should be able to do that Wednesday, and then that way you guys can kind of see how I have mine set up. But overall, I had somebody on Instagram the other day. I posted a picture of it still in the box and said, "Oh, how I've missed you." And a couple people asked, is it really worth it? And in my opinion, I never did any, 0 to 60 runs or any kind of dyno testing or anything with it on. But my butt dyno says it's fun and worth every penny. So this is Awesome RT approved. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna make this one short and to the point. So I'm gonna get off here and probably hit the bed. It's almost midnight, and I'll get the install video for you guys on Wednesday. Y'all have a good evening. Enjoy those Mopars.